Okay, so we were discussing zeros of a polynomial. Okay, zero of a of polynomial is also called as root of polynomial. Zero is also called as root of polynomial. Understood? Okay. Now the
Yes.
homework given was first example p of x equals to x plus 5. Okay. To find root or zero of p of x. What do we need to do is p of x equals to 0. Equate this with 0. Therefore, x plus 5 equals to 0. Therefore, x equals to minus 5. So that 5 plus minus 5 only gives us 0. So this is the solution. Have you got the same answer?
Sir, I did not see it. Can you show it again?
X is equal to minus 5. Did you get
Ha
this
ha
answer?
ha. Yes.
Okay. Now next question we'll discuss. I think I should tell answers only now. Okay.
Yes.
If your answer is wrong, then we will discuss the question. Okay. So second, it was x minus 5 equals to 0. So the answer is x equals to 5. Third, p of x was 2x plus 5. So x was minus 5 upon 2. Fourth, 3x minus 2 equal to 0. X equals to 2 by 3. Fifth, 3x equals to 0 gives x equals to 0. Sixth, a equal to 0 is the answer. Seventh, 7, x equals to minus d upon c was the answer. 8, check all your answers. I think 7 were there, not 8.
Seventh one is wrong. All are correct.
Your 7th example went wrong.
Yes.
Okay, let's solve 7th example. 7th example. Hmm. P of x given was cx plus d. Okay, to find 0 of p of x, p of x equals to 0 gives 0 equals to cx plus d. Okay, when first this d goes to other side, we get what? Cx equals to minus of d. Therefore, x equals to, now there is a relation multiplication between this c and this x. So this minus d remains on right side, and this when this c comes towards right side, it goes to the denominator, and hence we get x is equal to minus d upon c. Was the same answer? Minus d upon c.
Yes.
Okay, now you got how to solve it.
Yes.
Okay, this was the homework.
Yes. Sir, wait, I'll write it down.
Okay, write it.
Done,
Done?
sir.
Okay. Now next, quadratic polynomials. Quadratic polynomials. Okay. P of x equals to ax square plus bx plus c, where this a is not 0, a, b and c all are real numbers, is called as quadratic polynomial. Or quadratic polynomial or quadratic expression. Okay, note the things into your notebook. See here, degree of this polynomial is 2, hence it is quadratic. Why it is quadratic? Because its degree is 2 and this a is leading coefficient. What it is? Are you getting it?
Yes.
Am I audible?
Yes.
Then why there is a lag in your response? It is quite slow.
I wore headphones today.
Oh, okay. So this a is leading coefficient and this leading coefficient should not be 0. Then it is called as quadratic polynomial. It is often called as quadratic expression. Okay. Now quadratic equation. Okay. An equation of type an equation of type ax plus b, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, where a non-zero, a, b, c all are real number, is called as quadratic equation. It is called as quadratic equation.
Yes.
Before going towards quadratic, we must first have learned about linear equations.
Yes.
Linear expression, or say linear polynomials in one variable. See, these are the things we already have learned. Okay, there is nothing new in it, but we are just renaming it. We just are renaming it. Okay, we have seen polynomials like p of x equals to 5x plus 3. See here, power of variable is 1. See, q of x equals to root 2x minus 4 plus root 3. Say r of y equals to minus 3y plus root 5, etc. See here, power of variable involved is 1. No variable is there whose index, whose power is greater than 1. Give me your
Yes.
response whether I am audible or not.
Yes.
Okay. So here power is 1. Here is also power 1. Here also variable is changed, but its power is 1. Okay. So only one variable is involved in the expression, or you can say in the polynomial, and power of variable is 1, hence it is linear. See, understood? First, we must have learned linear expressions and then quadratic expressions. Okay. Now it is fine. We first noted down quadratic expressions, polynomials, and then quadratic equations. And now we are thinking about quadratic linear expressions and equations. Okay. So note down these two definitions in that sequence. Once done, tell me. Done it or not? You are not audible. Hello. You are not audible to me. Are you writing or what?
Hello.
Yes. Now you are audible.
Okay.
What
Done. I was talking only continuously.
means?
I was saying done.
But you were not audible to me, na? I heard only once.
No, done, sir.
Done with it?
Hello.
Yes.
Hello.
Yes.
Yes,
Yes.
sir. What did you say?
I just asked ki writing or not.
Yes, done. I wrote it.
Okay. Huh. Now the last point was linear expressions. Okay. When this p of x equals to ax plus b is equated with 0, it becomes a linear equation in one variable. Okay. Therefore, ax plus b equals to 0, where a non-zero and a and b are real numbers, is called as linear equation in one variable. Okay, this is it. Next,
Yes.
quadratic. Now cubic. This time it must be cubic. Polynomials or cubic expressions. Okay. Instead of getting deep dive into expressions, let's just write down in short how cubic expressions or cubic polynomials look like, and then we'll write proper definition of cubic equations. Will it be okay?
Yes.
Okay.
Yes.
An expression of type ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d of x equals to is cubic polynomial or expression where this a is non-zero, a, b, c, d, etc. all are real numbers. Okay, and when cubic expression is equated with zero, it gives us ax cube plus bx square plus cx plus d equals to 0. This is cubic equation. Cubic equation. Write it down. What you have noted here, linear expression or linear polynomial say, then linear equation, quadratic expression or quadratic polynomial, then quadratic equation, and now cubic expression or cubic polynomial you can call it, and then cubic equation. Okay, note it down, and once done,
Yes.
tell me that you are done with writing. Then
Okay.
we'll see how to solve the cubic. See first, linear polynomials, then linear equations, then quadratic equations, and then cubic.
Okay,
Write
sir.
it down.
Yes.
Okay, and once you are done writing, write down one or two examples of linear equations, quadratic equations, and cubic equations. Okay. हॅलो 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 हॅलो
हॅलो सर, आवाज येतोय? हॅलो.
हो येतोय आवाज मला.
ओके.
माझा आवाज येतोय?
हो.
ओके, लिहून झाला का एवढा पार्ट?
हो.
एक्झाम्पल्स लिहिले?
हो. हे लिहिलं मी आता जे स्क्रीनवर दिसतंय ते.
ओके ठीक आहे. आता बघ, लिनियर इक्वेशन्स लिहिलंय, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्स लिहिलंय आणि क्युबिक
हा.
इक्वेशन्स लिहिलंय. ठीक आहे. लिनियर
हा.
इक्वेशनचे ते जे फॉर्मॅट आहे बघ,
हा.
इथे बघ, हे ए एक्स प्लस,
हॅलो.
जस्ट वेट अ मिनिट. हा, हे जे दिसतंय ना, ए एक्स प्लस बी इक्वल टू 0.
हा.
हा, तर याच्यामध्ये ए नॉट इक्वल टू 0, ए अँड बी आर रिअल नंबर्स. ओके, असे कोणतेही दोन रिअल नंबर्स घेऊन एक एक्झाम्पल बनवायचं, दुसरं एक्झाम्पल बनवायचं, दोन वेगवेगळे लिनियर इक्वेशनचे एक्झाम्पल्स बनव.
आता मी
त्यानंतर
बनवू का?
हा तू बनव. तसेच क्वाड्रॅटिकचे इथं जे केलेलं ना मगाशी, हे
हा.
हे इक्वेशन हे दिसतंय,
हा.
हे क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशनचं आहे. तर इथं जसं मी
हा.
बनवलं हे बघ, हे लिनियर इक्वेशनचं एक्झाम्पल, लिनियर एक्सप्रेशनचं एक्झाम्पल, याला इज इक्वल टू 0 केलं तर हे लिनियर इक्वेशन झालं. ठीक आहे. समजा क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन, ठीक आहे, क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन मध्ये ए च्या जागी 2, बी च्या जागी 3 आणि सी च्या जागी 5 ठेवला तर 2x स्क्वेअर प्लस 3x प्लस 5 इक्वल टू 0 हे झालं इक्वेशन ऑफ क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन झालं. ओके, असे
हा.
दोन क्वाड्रॅटिक इक्वेशन्सचे एक्झाम्पल्स बनव. आणि सिमिलरली क्युबिकचे हे बघ, इथं क्युबिकचे दोन एक्झाम्पल्स बनव. समजलं?
चालेल. हा.
ओके, दोन दोन एक्झाम्पल्स बनव आणि मला सांग झालं की.
हो.
झाले एक्झाम्पल्स?
एक मिनिट. हो झालं.
ओके, सांग मला, मी लिहितो.
हा, आधी लिनियरचं सांगू.
हा,
हा, p of x is equal to 7x plus root 3.
एक्सप्रेशन नाही, इक्वेशन्स.
मी ते लिहिलं.
इज इक्वल टू 0.
हा, इज
म्हणजे
इक्वल
पी
टू
ऑफ
0.
एक्स जो आहे ना, त्याच्या जागी काय लिहायचं? 0 लिहायचा. ओके, समजा तू
ओके.
लिहिलं पी ऑफ एक्स इज इक्वल टू 7x प्लस रूट 3, तर ते काय झालं? हे झालं एक्सप्रेशन. काय झालं हे? एक्सप्रेशन. आणि
एक्सप्रेशन.
समजा तू असं लिहिलं 7x प्लस रूट 3 इज इक्वल टू 0. ठीक आहे, आता हा नंबर आहे,
हा
इथे इक्वेलिटी आहे, तर हे झालं
हा
इक्वेशन. ओके, हाच फरक आहे इक्वेशन आणि एक्सप्रेशन मध्ये. अंडरस्टूड
ओके.
मीनिंग ऑफ दिस टू वर्ड्स?
येस.
Then you must have understood meaning of these two concepts,
ओके.
this expression and this equation. Understood?
येस.
Once you have understood expressions and equations, then linear means power of variable must be 1, quadratic means power of variables must be 2, and cubic means power of variables must be 3. Okay, now this was your first constructed example of linear equation. Tell me second one.
Yes. Root 9, p of x, okay, root 9x plus 4
Root 9x plus 4
plus root 3
plus root 3
equals to 0.
equals to 0. Okay, second, quadratic.
3x square plus root 5x
3x square plus root 5x
plus 9
plus 9.
equals to 0.
Okay, second, very good.
Root 7x square
Root 7x square
plus root 15x
root 15x
plus 9
plus 9
equals to 0.
equals to 0. Cubic.
Cubic. 3x cube
3x cube
plus 17x square
17x square
plus 8x
plus 8x
plus 9
plus 9
equals to 0.
is equal to 0. Next,
Root 9x cube
root 9x cube
plus 18x square
plus 18x square
plus 29x
plus 29x
plus 32 equals
plus
to 0.
32 equals to 0. Very good. Is 9 your favorite or lucky?
Yes.
What? Lucky or favorite?
Both.
Both. Why I'm asking? You have used 9 over here, here, in this. But you have forgot that square root of 9, it comes 3. Instead,
Yes.
here you have used 3, here also you have used 3. Here also it will be 3x then. Understood?
Yes.
It is okay, but while using roots, make sure that the number inside of the root must not be a perfect square number. As 9 is perfect square number, you can, instead of writing it inside of the square root to scare someone, instead you can write directly square root of that number as a coefficient of variable, or you can say leading coefficient, or wherever you use its coefficient. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Now have you
Yes.
understood all these three concepts?
Yes.
Okay. So this is it about the first session. Now,
Yes.
uh, the this meeting will end in 2.5 minutes. Okay, that means
Yes.
in two less than 2 minutes or it will end. So we will
Yes.
what we continue with the next link or what?
No, sir. At 2:30, I have to go to school to collect
Oh,
certificates.
okay. So collect your certificate. We will revise these
Uh,
things again tomorrow. Tomorrow it will be online or offline.
sir, I'll tell you tomorrow morning.
Okay, tomorrow morning tell me and remember in tomorrow's lecture whether it is online or offline what we are going to do is see here this x is variable. Okay, okay.
Yes.
Now what which value of x satisfy will satisfy this equality. Suppose if I put x is equals to minus root 3 upon 7, then it will be this will be what 7 into minus root 3 upon 7 plus root 3, then it will be 7 7 will get cancelled minus root 3 plus root 3 and it is 0, and hence this 0 is equated with the 0 on the other side. So this value x is equal to minus 3 root 3 upon 7 is satisfying this equation. Such value of x is called as solution of equation. Okay, in next
Yes.
session we will try to find out solutions of linear, quadratic and cubic equations. Okay,
Okay, sir.
now
Yes.
that's it for the this session. Okay,
Okay, sir.
okay, you can sign off now.
Okay, sir.